will switch major and minor pentatonics and blues soloing like the professionals is a question I get a lot as a guitar teacher. And believe it or not, the answer is way more simpler and a lot more out there than we think. The idea is this: it is very simple. In blues soloing, I'm going to use E minor. It is absolutely 100% acceptable to play an E minor pentatonic in your blues soloing anywhere on the guitar neck, all right? It is also equally as acceptable to play an E major pentatonic. But the combination of the two gets people's gears stuck, and it's hard for them to hear and play with confidence the ideas of combining them. So how do we do it? Very, very simple, okay? The idea is you want to give this minor pentatonic a feel and a name. So the first thing you do is you pick up your guitar, if you want to put on distortion, you can, and you play the E minor pentatonic in a blues solo, and you give the sound a name. Really, give it a name, play it, and just think about the words that come to your mind when you're playing a minor pentatonic on top of a blues. So I'll play it. Let's see if we can give it a name. Okay, so the words I associate with this are, of course, gritty, bluesy, down homey, you know, really gritty. All right, do the same thing for a major pentatonic. In this case, I'll use E major pentatonic here. Same pentatonic, just 3 frets down. Okay? When you play like this, I'll tell you the sound that I think of. You know, it's going to sound like Southern rock, but, you know, the words that I think of, I'll tell you afterwards. You tell me what you associate with this. Playful, curious. That's what I associate with. The idea is to know the sounds you're going to get. Now, there are parts of the guitar where they overlap. You know, you can play an E minor pentatonic here on the 12th fret. You play the E major pentatonic right on top of the same place. And if you want to practice this, maybe you should play them on top of each other. You can move them back and forth, however, but the idea is all you have to do is will it. All you have to do is say, okay, I'm playing gritty. Now I want that playfulness. And you have to understand they're both acceptable to play at any time. In my longer video format, I talk about how you imagine different guitar players in different booths recording different guitar solos and mixing and matching them in. And so you can check that video out, of course, but the idea is they exist. They sound right no matter what. And so I can pick at any moment from the minor train or the major train and mix them together. All right, so check this out, okay? So I'm going to say it, hopefully, and play it right at the same time. Here we go. Minor, major, minor, minor, major, minor, major, minor, major, major, minor, major, minor, major, minor, major. Right there, I just kind of stopped talking and played it, but you get the idea. Very short, very simple video. If you like this idea and you want to see the full format where I give you the analogies and ways to think about this in a way that really solidifies it, check out that video. It's linked right here. This is a very quick guitar lesson on how to mix major and minor without getting caught up. Rock and roll.